Come here. Come here. Come. Yeah, my sweet girl. My sweet girl.
Put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
I'm back again with another bullet journal video, and this week, instead of having a kind of set plan and idea of what I want, I'm gonna just free flow, kind of let it go and let my creative side come out. I like to do this once in a while to challenge myself and really tap into my creativity, because it's easy to just kind of have a plan and be like, this is what I want, but it's not always that easy to let it come out. I'm really excited to bring you guys along, and I hope that you're getting some kind of inspiration from what I do here today. So let's go. So first, I'm just going to show you how my spread from last week ended up turning out. I enjoyed filling this out, and I think my favorite part of all of this is the gratitude log. I'm really starting to like this just because it's just fun to kind of look back at each and every day and see kind of maybe what I was doing or what exactly I was thankful for. And I don't know, I just really started enjoying this gratitude log, and I'm excited to bring it on to the next week. Moving on to my next week, I did sketch out a quick idea of what I wanted the boxes to look like, but as far as my decorations, that's going to be all free flow and whatever this is. As always, I have my handy dandy pencil case.
Be water, my friend.
Okay, so this is the end result. Initially, this area was going to be probably like a to-do sort of brain dump area, but I ended up just turning it into the main focus. I love these stickers so much. This is going to be my gratitude log. Maybe this can be like a combination between a brain dump and a moving on to next week. As for last week, there was a lot of things that I'm going to be moving to this week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now, and yeah. Alrighty, so I just penned in some things from last week, and also school starts for me next Monday, so just a little reminder about that. But that concludes basically all my planning. This is another more minimal spread, and although last week I was sort of wanting a little bit more decoration, I think that this week I'm going to enjoy filling this in. I think it's going to be a pretty busy week for me, so it's going to be a lot of pen, and it's going to look really nice and clean whenever it's done. So I hope you enjoyed that really quick plan with me, and I can't wait to plan with you once again next week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye now.